To claim exclusive rewards and withdraw your funds on OKX, you need two things: an account and identity verification, KYC. Don't worry, it only takes 3 minutes. Follow these steps. First, click the registration link in the description below. Using this link ensures you get the welcome bonuses and fee discounts. Enter your email or phone number and create a strong password. OKX will send you a 6-digit code. Enter that code to verify your contact info. That's it. You are signed up. Now the important part, KYC. Without this, you cannot claim rewards or withdraw money. For the best experience, download the OKX app. Open the app and click the user icon in the top corner. Select verification. Choose your country and ID type: passport, driver's license, or national ID. Take a photo of your ID. Here is a critical tip: place your ID on a dark background. Make sure there is no glare or reflection, and the text is clear. If the photo is blurry, you will be rejected. Finally, do a quick face verification selfie. Follow the on-screen instructions, blink or turn your head. Submit it, and usually you will be verified within 2 minutes. Once you see the verified badge, you are ready to trade and claim your bonus. The sign-up link is in the description. Go set up your account now and start earning. See you in the next video.